Hi everyone, welcome to our video demonstration of Zira's digital operator panel. An operator panel is a one-stop shop for any frontline employee to do everything that they need to do, like access and submit startup checklists, production tracking, and even quality control checks, notify supervisors or automatically create a work order for maintenance, access safety and training documentation, machine manuals, and instructional videos all in one place, and of course, having data that is updating in real time so your team can visualize and understand what your performance is at your work center. Here we are on our operator panel, and let's say to start our day, we want to complete our startup checklist. Well, with our shortcuts right here, we can quickly access that. Go down, click Startup Checklist. We can put in our employee ID number and run through the form as we normally would. However, let's say for this example, there's a problem, right? Let's say an e-stop is broken. Well, we can notify our team and actually request service from this form. So here we'll click Not Okay and fill out the rest. Then at the bottom of the startup checklist form, you can see the option to request service. Well, we can simply click that. And at the end here, we can even write in a particular comment. Let's say that the e-stop is broken. And if we like, we can even add a picture of it with the submission. Now, let's say we hit submit and there's two things that happen on Zira. First, we notify a supervisor or management via push notification email. And additionally, automatically generate a work order. Now, let's say though, everything's okay in this example. So we'll take this out. We go through, we hit submit, we timestamp it, and with the form, we know who submitted it at what period. With submissions on our forms, you can always go and access this information for audit purposes. Now, the moment that this is submitted, they should start running their work center. We, on our side, start counting uptime and runtime for this machine center. Let's say at any point during the day, you would like to stop your machine. Well, you can do that with our time tracking form. So if we click that, we could simply fill it out and say, hey, we're stopping, and even provide a reason why, right? Maybe it's a safety issue. Maybe they're waiting on a forklift. Maybe it's an equipment issue and maintenance is needed. For this example, we'll say that we were waiting on a forklift. We can go ahead and submit that. With our time tracking, we're able to notify the right people to get this machine center up and running as quickly as possible. Now, the other things that you can do on Zira's operator panel is go and submit quality control checks. This is another form that we have as a shortcut here. We can automatically pull a run number from your ERP system. And if we have that, you can choose, is this the first article for this run? And is it a pass or fail? Again, if there's a failure, you can notify the right people about it, but we'll go and submit this. You can even get a more in-depth view of your quality control passes and fails with this widget that we have right here telling us the specific day and how many passed and how many failed on that day. However, let's say at the end of the day, we want to go and submit our cleanup checklist. We can go ahead and say everything has passed, go and submit. Now, when this is submitted, we can automatically close out that shift and stop the runtime for the machine center. And we can see an indicator here for them, machine status, what's actually going on at any given moment. Currently, in this example, they're stopped because they're waiting on a forklift. We can see over time the runtime versus the stop time for the last 7 days. So we're looking at here. Now, for an operations manager or a plant manager, what you really care about is the stop time. And we want you to have more than just knowing that we stopped for a total of, say, 3.6 hours today or 20.2 hours in the last 7 days. We want you to know why. And so you can go and break that down. And these are the issues that you actually need to tackle to improve your overall equipment efficiency. To improve the runtime on the machine center, a lot of times maintenance gets the brunt of things. However, we want to go to just today's readings. In this example, a majority of the downtime today at this work center is due to wrong material. Let's say something happened on the shop floor and an accident occurred where the wrong material was used, and now we know exactly how much time they were spending on that issue. And this is just one workstation. Multiply that across all the workstations and lets you start asking more informed questions. Like, we're spending some time waiting on a forklift. Should we hire another forklift driver? These are things you can do and actions you can take now just by having a quick insight into your operator panel on Zira. Now, on the right hand side here, taking a step more towards the safety and training side of things, in a single click, your team members can access all of the information that they need via our operator binder. When it comes time to update, you'll need to go and print out and redo the binder itself. All you have to do is update the document, and wherever that's available to the employees, it's going to automatically be updated for them. Let's say we want to check out our lockout tagout instructions. It's a PDF that was attached, and we have quick access to it just like this. The other type of thing besides safety and training materials is you can actually access actual videos. Let's say training videos like how do you do an e-stop test, how do you do a lockout tagout procedure. This one right here is a quick training video on how to access work instructions, safety, and training documents, and you can access the videos right from here. A last few things that can be included on your operator panel is a more in-depth look at downtime reasons. Everybody's motivated and understands the value of time, but also money. Last thing you can see here is you can also assign a cost to each of the different types of downtime. In addition, we can also have a quick look as to how many safety forms were submitted today, more on the safety side. And our operator panel can be customized for you to manage all your tasks and even have a live look at your maintenance feed and what are the activities occurring around your shop floor. That is a quick look into our operator panel. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this demonstration has given you a better understanding of how our operator panel can improve your operations and increase efficiency. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our product, please visit our website at joinzira.com or contact our customer support team. We look forward to working with you to optimize your industrial processes. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos on industrial automation solutions. Thanks again for watching.